Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY. Today I got a really quick video for you. I'm going to show you how to fold or coil a bandsaw blade. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the bandsaw blade on the ground, step on the middle of the bandsaw, take your hand and place it on like this, and all we're going to do is push down and twist at the same time, and it just folds it right in on itself. Kind of manipulate your blade a little bit to get it in a nice shape because the teeth catch on each other, and there you have it, a nice coiled up or folded up bandsaw blade. Now that we have our bandsaw coiled up, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our zip ties that you get with your new bandsaw blades, twist this around, and now it's going to keep it in its shape, and we can just go ahead and take it and put it back in its box. I always save my boxes for my bandsaw blades because it makes for storing them so much nicer. Now we can go ahead, take this box, put it up on a shelf, and just stack these on top of each other or upright, and it takes up so much less room than if we would have a full wall of bandsaw blades uncoiled. So this makes it so much nicer to store and be able to put them away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.